Hello guys, how to remove and replace the key fob battery for a Hyundai Sonata 2015, 16, 17 and 18. This is the key fob, and for removing the battery you have to remove this, and then see all this gone, but still you have to do this. Put your fingers right here and push this that way. I pushed it that way, it's removed. Here it is the battery, and you can just put something sharp here at the corner, something really sharp. Let me use this key. Okay, remove it like this. So I removed it, and now I'm gonna show you guys what kind of battery it is. It is CR2032. CR2032. Just buy another one of these from the AutoZone or O'Reilly or any part store and put it back here just like this. Put it here, and this part goes just at the top like this. Put it here and push it so hard, and then it's ready to go. This is how you remove and replace the battery for the Hyundai Sonata 2015, 16, 17 and also 18. These are for 2.4 engine size, which is if they are not hybrid. For the hybrid one, I already put another video in my channel. Please subscribe and put comments and let me know how my videos goes. So thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.